Welcome to our complete guide on TD Ameritrade. In this video, we will explore the key features that make it a top choice for beginners. Let's start by creating your TD Ameritrade account. We'll walk you through each step to get you set up quickly and easily. Now that your account is set up, let's dive into the trading platform. I'll show you how to navigate through its features with ease. Understanding different types of orders is critical for effective trading. Let's break down market, limit, and stop orders. TD Ameritrade offers a variety of research tools. I'll showcase how to access and utilize these resources to inform your trading decisions. Let's walk through the entire process of executing a trade step by step, ensuring you're confident every time you place a trade. Chart analysis is crucial for informed trading. I'll guide you through the basics of reading charts and understanding technical indicators. To stay updated on your trades, let's set up watch lists and alerts for the stocks you're interested in. TD Ameritrade has fantastic educational resources. I'll show you how to access these tools for ongoing learning and support. As we conclude, here are some final tips for successful trading on TD Ameritrade to help you on your journey.